Hi everybody. Today is the release day of the brand new iPhone 12 and I happened to get my hands on one of them. This happens to be the blue color. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this and then I'm gonna get some screwdrivers and open this up because I am very curious to see what the insides look like. I am a repair tech, so this is what I do for money. I repair all these cell phones, all these smartphones, these Samsungs, the iPhones. So I want to see what these parts look like. Do they look like last year's model? Is this going to be an easy phone to repair? Well, we'll find out. Let's get this started. All right, so here is the new iPhone 12 in blue color. And I do actually happen to have an iPhone 12 Pro in the gold color, but I'm gonna save this phone for the next video. So we'll be seeing that one soon. All right, let's get this unboxing going. All right, now I hear that they do not include the charger in this phone. Let's see. Let's check out that blue color. I guess the back does look kind of similar to the iPhone 11. Let's peel this off. Let's turn it on real quick. I think the button is bigger, the power button. That's what I noticed first. This looks exactly like the iPhone 5S, but I would say like a jumbo version of the iPhone 5S. Of course, from the sides. So let's see what else is in the box. As we have this cable right here. And as you see, something is different, right? All right, so as you see, this is how the iPhone chargers used to look like, the cables at least. I know this one's like super dirty, but it's just been rolling all over the floor. This is the new versions of it. So you see these are different. So if you're gonna get an iPhone, you wanted to charge your phone, you actually have to buy a block piece. Apple does not include the charger block piece in the box. So you have to go out and you have to go buy one of these right here. So as you see, the old charger right here, where's the old cable? Does it fit in here? Does not. So you gotta go out and you gotta go buy one of these. So Apple says it's for the environment, but you know what I say? Apple has found another way to make money. So you buy the cell phone and they make you go buy the free charger that's supposed to come with it in the box. So once again, this is how the chargers, the little charger block piece used to look like. And these things don't work with it, right? Nope. Let's quickly look over this thing again. iPhone 12. What do you guys think about the blue color? All right, so let's open up this thing up. I want to see, I'm very curious to see what the insides look like. I have not seen any YouTube videos at all doing this stuff yet. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is turn off the phone. This video is not a how to repair video, so all right, so here we go. Oh, it actually opens up to the left. So all the other iPhone models, starting with the iPhone 7, they open up this way. But this way, this iPhone 12, you open up to the left. So as you can see, here's the screen. This is what I'm most interested about. Here's the shield. They use the little tri-wing screwdrivers, screw tips right here. So it looks like it has your basic earpiece thing right here. And then you just unhook these Let's unscrew this stuff real quick. All right, so looks like you have a bunch of connections. And also the thing I just noticed, the motherboard is on the other side of the phone. It's always has been on this side. The battery always went over here. So now they flip-flopped it. So this looks like it's the battery right here. And it looks like it's just one connection, because I don't see any cables under here. Yep. So let's disconnect the screen. So there's two connections here. And then there's this, just like that. So this is the iPhone 11. This is the new iPhone 12 screen. This looks like a straight up simple repair. All you have to do, just like the other, like the iPhone 10 or the 10s or the 10s Max, you just unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. This thing, you're gonna blow heat on this. You're gonna get your new iPhone 12 screen and then just transfer this little piece right here and then put this back on just like that. This looks like a screen repair is gonna be another 10-minute repair. Starting with the iPhone 10, the screen repairs got super easy on these phones. The screen does look a little thinner, doesn't it? Look how thin that screen is. This looks like where all the camera stuff is at right here. All right, so I'm kind of curious now to lift this shield out and see what it looks like, because those are the connections for all the cameras right here. All right, there's the shield. Put it with the screws. Yep. So I can already see how everything is to be repaired in here. So we're gonna take one last quick look at how the insides of the iPhone 12 look like. All right, and that's gonna be today's video. So the next video, I'm gonna do the same thing to this iPhone 12 Pro. And then I'm gonna compare the insides of both phones side to side, and the screens too, might as well, right? All right, thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys very quickly on the next video. Peace.